Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Windows 11 update stuck on checking for updates. First, open the Settings app. Click on System, then go to Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters, then find Windows Update and click Run. Wait while it checks for problems and applies fixes automatically. If the issue continues, you can restart the Windows Update service. Press the Windows key and type Services and press Enter. In the Services window, scroll down to Windows Update. Right-click it and select Restart. Close the window and check for updates again. If it still does not work, you can run a system file scan. Open the Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type sfc/scano and press Enter. Windows will scan and repair system files. Wait until it is complete. Then restart your computer and try checking for updates again. Following these steps usually resolves most issues with Windows 11 updates getting stuck on checking for updates. Thanks for watching.